Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm sharing this cute little dinosaur box, and it's be cute, really cute for a little boy's birthday or even a little girl's. They like dinosaurs too, but I thought it was super cute, and it has a special kind of closure on it. I'm going to pull this off and I'm going to show you what the closure looks like. And so it just interlocks like that. So I'm going to show you how to do that too. And to do these, you are going to need the Be Mine stitched framelits. And we're using this largest heart for it. So this is what I'm sharing today. And I really love this little dinosaur. And I'm using actually the Dinosaur Designer Series paper, which is this right here, and I'm actually just cut out, and I'm going to use a different dinosaur because I didn't want to cut up another piece. And there's a bunch of dinosaurs on here. You can use any one, but we're going to use this one today. And so the paper is super cute, and it has all different little dinosaur prints and little leaves. And it's just adorable designer series paper. They have little eggs on here, dinosaur eggs, and it's just super pretty and super cute for a kid's party. So this is what I'm sharing today, so let's go ahead and get started with it. You're going to need a piece of 8 by 10. I'm using Lovely Lipstick again. The other one is Old Olive. So this one is 8 by 10. Then you're going to need 2 pieces to mat it, and this is all the same designer series paper. So you need 2 that are 1 7/8 by 1 7/8, and then you'll need 2 that are 1 7/8 by 2 7/8. So that is everything that you're going to need, and then cut out one of the little dinosaurs, whichever one you choose. So let me grab my Simply Scored here, and we will get scoring this. It's really easy scoring, so we're going to score on the 10-inch side at 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 1/2, at 2 1/2, 5 1/2, and 7 1/2. And that's all your scoring. Alright, so now to cut this, we are going to cut off all 4 corners right here. So let's go ahead and do that. And you can save these these are big enough to use to cut out some of your little dies. You use your little dies to cut out little flowers or anything, even to stamp a sentiment on. Pieces this size I always save. On the Whisper White I save everything. Even the little 1/2-inch pieces, because those come in handy for sentiments. Alright, so next we're going to do is we are going to score or cut up each one of these to the second score mark. Do the same on the opposite side. And then we're going to make our own little glue tab. So we're going to take this one, and we are going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to cut a little bit from each of these. These are our glue tabs. And we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. We're going to cut that like in half. And then this one, leave that center one alone. And that is it. I'm going to just go ahead and cut like a little bit off of here so that it closes inside the box better. And that's going to be it. I'm going to grab my bone folder now, and we are going to sharpen all the score marks here. And while we're doing that, I wanted to tell you that if you'd like to join my Stampin' Up team, Stampin' Up is having a special where you get, instead of $125, you get an extra $30 worth of product in your kit. So for $99, you get $155 worth of product, plus they give you all the business supplies that you need. But you can do it as a hobby and not as a business. So if you are interested, you can contact me on my blog at stampingwithamore.com, or just email me at stampingwithamore@gmail.com. So I'd love for you to join my team. If you'd like to build a business, I have a group that we have a business builders group that you could be a part of, where you can learn to do it as a business. All right, so we are going to use our magnetic platform. Now this is going to be a little bit tricky, but nothing difficult. So we're going to put this on here. Now we're using this heart. Now what you want to do with this is you don't want to get the little ruffled edge. So we're just putting it on the very edge here. This part is going to be on the very edge, and I'm going to use a little piece of washi, or not washi, but sticky note, and I'm going to hold that down with that. Now you're going to take this plate and you're going to line up the end with that little point right there. Make sure that's straight, and then we're going to just, oops, I want to make sure that's to that point, and then we're just running this through. It seems a little awkward, but it's really easy to do. Alright, so what you're going to get is that right there. Alright, we're going to turn it around and we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm going to take the little ruffled part so you can see that's there. And you want to, again, line it up with the bottom part so you don't get the ruffle on there. So we're going to do that again. Going to run that through. Make sure that edge is up at the top. And then we're going to use a sticky note to hold it in place. Bring this plate back. Line it up with that little point there. And then you have to kind of push it through till it's ready to go through, and then start winding it. And that's it. I mean, it cuts super fast and easy. And then we should have the exact same thing on the other side like that. Alright, let's scoot this all out of the way. It's really, really easy to do. Alright, so what you want to do next is you just want to like clip maybe a 1/2 inch in there and a 1/2 inch in here. That will help when you're interlocking it. Alright, so we're going to flip this over and we're going to put adhesive on all 4 of these corners. I'm going to use wet glue, but tear and tape or your wet glue would work fine, or some kind of strong adhesive so it stays together. First I couldn't get it out, now it's coming out like crazy. And you know, with the wet glue you do have to wait, you know, hold it just a few seconds so it starts to adhere. So we're going to do that. And then we'll go to this next side and do the same, line that up. And then we'll put some on these 2 here. And then we're going to put these both inside so we don't make a mess. And then just hold those down. I need to wipe my fingers really quickly because I don't want to get it all over the outside. And then this side. The wet glue is not always my friend. It seems to get all over me. Alright, so there we have all our sides done. These are going to fold inside, and then this is going to fold inside, and it's going to close like that. Really, really easy to do. All right, so let's mat this. So we'll get all our mat pieces out, and I'm going to use some snail. And I think I'm going to keep the little striped parts on the top here. I love all the colors in this. You can do these any colors, any, oops, my thing ran out. Let me grab another one really quick. Any of the dinosaurs would be really cute. This has a coordinating stamp set as well. I didn't get the stamp set. I wish I would have now, but I may at a later date, but it comes as a bundle, so if you're interested in that. Alright, so let's clean this up and let's go ahead and cut this dinosaur. Now, just cut it really simply. Just leave a little bit of space. You don't have to go crazy, you know, with the details. It looks cute. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Okay, so it's super quick and easy to cut out. There's nothing, I mean, I didn't even cut out the mouth part or the little feet, so you can just do it how detailed you like it. I'm going to grab a piece of the lovely lipstick 1/8 inch ribbon here. And we're only going to tie a knot, so I'm not going to cut too much here. And I'm going to use my 1/8 inch hole punch, and we're going to punch right here. And let's go ahead and stamp our little sentiment. And I'm going to use the Memento Black for that. And it says, "It's your day." And this "It's your day" is from the Itty Bitty Birthdays right here. So you can use any sentiment on it. This one fit perfectly in my 1 inch circle punch, so that's why I'm using that one. And hopefully that's enough to punch out. I don't know if I left enough room to punch out a circle. I think it's okay. Alright. I'm going to use some snail here. And we're going to kind of put this one in his little hands right there. Do that there. And then we're going to string this. I'm going to cut this at a little angle. It'll make it a little bit easier to get it through that tiny hole. It would be so cute with all different little dinosaurs on it. And we're just going to tie a knot here. And then I'll cut this shorter. Alright, so there you have it. There's another little dinosaur. So cute. These are really, really cute. So there you have it, all three. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.